Unlock a world of personalized possibilities with the Plaid Engraver. First, let's familiarize ourselves with the Plaid Engraver. This tool is your gateway to adding custom designs to a variety of materials. Before you start, select the appropriate engraving tip for your material. Refer to the Plaid guide for the best tip for your project. Safety first. Always wear safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself from debris and potential heat. Practice on a scrap piece of your chosen material to get a feel for the engraver. Experiment with different pressures and speeds. Now, let's transfer your design. You can either freehand draw it with a pencil or use a stencil for more intricate patterns. Gently guide the engraver along the lines, applying consistent pressure. Avoid pressing too hard. Let the tool do the work. The possibilities are endless. Create custom gifts, personalize home decor, or even design unique jewelry. And there you have it. With a little practice, you'll be creating stunning engraved pieces in no time. So, grab your Plaid Engraver and let your creativity shine. Don't forget to share your creations with #PlaidCrafts #Engraving.